Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a very exciting DIY, which is this pink flamingo bird sculpture. So you might have seen these flamingo bird sculptures are going around some time and it has been quite a trend. All these fancy stores have been selling it, so I thought maybe I should give it a try and make my own version of it. So here I've tried it with the white cement and some air dry clay. So if you are interested in knowing how I made this, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with a cardboard on which I'm going to draw a flamingo couple. Now just cut the marked portion out of it. So here I've taken some foil paper and I'm just molding it to the shape of the cardboard. I've covered both the sides of the cardboard with this foil paper. Now I've prepared this mixture with 1 part of white cement and with 1 part of white glue and with 1 part of water. Now I'm going to coat this foil structure with this mixture till it's get fully covered. Now I'm using some air dry clay to make the wings, crown and the beaks of the birds. So I'm using a Fevicryl Mouldit here, but you can use any air dry clay. it's done. If you want to try your hands on sculpting, then I think you should definitely give this a try. So let me know if you like my efforts, and if you did, then please hit the like button to show your love, and if you have any feedback, then please comment in the comment section below. If you are interested in more DIYs, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time and support. I will talk to you guys soon in my next DIY videos. Till then, take care and stay safe.